Today, we're going to be talking about a high-tech journey into the skies to uncover the history, the power, and the future of one of the most iconic drones in the U.S. military, the MQ9 Reaper. The MQ9 Reaper is a remotely piloted aircraft that redefined aerial warfare. Developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, it entered service in 2007, primarily with the United States Air Force. But what makes the Reaper so deadly and versatile? Let's start with a bit of history. The Reaper's roots trace back to the Predator drone, an earlier reconnaissance and strike platform. The Reaper took this concept to the next level. Unlike the Predator, which carried only 2 Hellfire missiles, the MQ9 was designed for heavier payloads and longer missions. This shift marked the turning point in unmanned aerial warfare, with the Reaper becoming a true hunter-killer drone. Now let's break down the MQ9's characteristics. First off, the Reaper's wingspan is 66 feet and a maximum takeoff weight of 10,500 pounds. It's powered by a Honeywell turboprop engine and can reach speeds of up to 300 miles per hour and has an impressive endurance of over 27 hours. That's right, this bird can loiter over a target area for more than a day, gathering intel and waiting for the perfect moment to strike. But what really sets the MQ9 apart is its arsenal. The Reaper can carry a variety of weapons, making it one of the most versatile drones in the world. Its standard loadout includes up to 4 AGM-114 Hellfire missiles for precision strikes, GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs for hardened targets, and even GBU-38 JDAMs for all-weather capability. This flexibility allows the Reaper to adapt to diverse mission profiles, from counterterrorism to battlefield support. The Reaper's advanced targeting systems include a multi-spectral targeting system which combines infrared, laser, and optical sensors to deliver pinpoint accuracy. It's like having an eagle eye in the sky, capable of identifying and engaging targets from thousands of feet above. Now, while the MQ9 Reaper has also been a game changer, it represents a broader shift in military strategy. Drones have revolutionized how wars are fought, reducing the risk to human pilots and enabling precision strikes with minimal collateral damage. The war in Ukraine has served as a small glimpse into the horrifying realities and the psychological impacts of future drone warfare. So what does the future hold for drones like the Reaper? Well, as technology advances, we're going to see the development of autonomous drones and swarming systems that can operate without direct human control. The MQ9 itself is set to be replaced by the next generation platforms like the MQ Next, promising greater stealth, advanced AI integration, and enhanced survivability in contested airspaces. Love it or fear it, the MQ9 Reaper is a testament to the ever-evolving nature of warfare. Its legacy will shape the future of unmanned combat systems for decades to come. That's it for today's episode of Zan's Weapon Depot. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the weapons that define our world. Until next time, stay frosty. Keep your eyes in the skies. Semper Fi.